Okay, so welcome to all of you. Last time we have seen the definition of a linear transformation. Okay, we have seen some examples on it. Okay, so we'll continue that. Now next, identity transformation. What do you mean by identity transformation? You know that the identity function means what? Domain and codomain are same, and t of the images are also the same. Okay, so that means what? The transformation t v to v. So domain and codomain should be the same now. So t from v to v defined as t of u bar is equal to u bar. That means image of u bar is itself. Okay. So image of any element is itself, then that is called a identity transformation. So this is a linear transformation because we have proved that t of u bar is equal to k u bar is the linear t of u bar is equal to k u bar is the linear transformation. Okay. So if you put k is equal to 1 here, then that will be the linear transformation. Okay. And this linear transformation is called identity transformation. So t of u bar is equal to u bar. This is a linear transformation. This is called a identity transformation. Okay. So now zero transformation or the null transformation. Okay. So let v and w be the vector spaces. The function t from v to v defined as t of v bar is equal to 0 bar. For all v bar, that means image of all the elements of v, image of all the elements of the domain of t are is zero. So then that linear, this is a linear transformation, and this linear transformation is called zero transformation or the null transformation. Easily you can prove this is a linear transformation because what t of u bar plus v bar is equal to what 0 bar, but 0 bar is same as 0 bar plus 0 bar, but that 0 bar is same as t of u bar, t of plus t of v bar. Okay, so k of u bar is what 0 bar, so 0 bar is nothing but k into 0 bar, right? So 0 bar is nothing but t of v bar. Okay, so that means t of k v bar is same as k into t of v bar. So easily you can prove this one, t is a linear transformation. Okay, so t of 0 bar is equal to 0 bar. This is a linear transformation. Now we'll see some example. Now example on a linear transformation also. Okay. Okay. So suppose A is the matrix is given to you, and t from R5 to R2 is a linear transformation such that t of x is equal to x. You have to compute this. Okay. Solution. A is equal to, so that A is equal to what? Minus 1 0 2 0 1 2 1 2 3 minus 1 4 0. Okay. So t of x is equal to ax. So therefore t of 1 0 minus 1 3 0. This you have to find. Okay. So your A is what? A is minus 1 0 2 0 1 2 3 minus 4 4 0. Okay, and your x is, you have to write x in the column now. X is in the column. So that is what 1 0 minus 1 3 0 minus 1 3 0. Okay, we have to write in the column. Whatever this, here it is in the row, but here you have to take it in the column, because what, if you are writing here row, then the product does not exist. Okay, so now we'll see the product of this one. Now we'll see the product. What is that? Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 plus 9 plus 0. You have to multiply this. This multiply, this multiply, this multiplication, this multiplication, this multiplication. You have to add it along with the sign. Next what? 0 into 1 0 0. Then what? Minus 2 minus 2 minus 12 then 0. Okay. So this is equal to what then? You have to do the addition. This is 7. This is 7. Okay. This is minus 14. This is minus 14. Okay. So you may write this is what? T of 1 0 minus 1 3 0 is equal to 7 minus 14. 7 minus 14. Is it correct? Oh, so this is not minus 4, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, so this is not minus 12, then this is minus 3, so this is what, then minus 5, this is minus 5, so this is 7 minus 5. Okay, so this was the minus 1. Okay, because of this, So you have to take the care of each and every entry of this. Okay. I hope that you understand this one. You can do anything now here. Whatever the matrix may be, you have to take this matrix. Suppose A is any matrix, whatever this is given. So T of this row vector, you have to write in the column. Okay. And you have to do the multiplication as usual. Okay. So we'll take a theorem. We'll take a theorem. If T from V to W is a linear transformation, then 1. T of 0 bar is same as 0 bar. Second, T of minus U bar is same as minus T of U bar for all U bar belongs to V. Okay. Third, T of U bar minus V bar is same as T of U bar minus T of V bar for all U bar V bar belongs to V. Okay, proof. This is very simple. You must have to do this. That means what? See, this is what a condition. So if you want to determine whether that is a linear transformation, from this also you can judge whether that is a linear transformation or not also. Okay, that we will see later on application of this one. Okay, so T of 0 bar. So T of 0 bar is same as 0 into U bar, because 0 into U bar is same as T of U bar. Okay, so 0 will be out, T of U bar will be, because what T is the linear transformation is given to you. So 0 is the scalar I can take here, but 0 into T of U bar is same as 0 bar. Note that this 0 bar is from V and this 0 bar is from W. Okay, so this is what T of 0 bar. See, this T of 0 bar, this is 0 bar is V and 0 bar is W. So these both 0 are not same, because what V and W are the different vector spaces. Then this 0 bar and this 0 bar may or may not be. You may say this is 0 bar prime also. That means 0 bar prime is a 0 vector from W, and 0 this simple 0 bar is same as a vector from V. Now this is a 0 vector from V. If you write here prime, then it will be a 0 vector in W. Okay, so we'll keep this as it is. Okay, now second, T of minus 1 minus U bar. So this is what T of minus 1 into U bar, because you have seen that the minus 1 into U bar is same as minus U bar. So we are applying this one. So this is what then minus 1 is the scalar. You can take T the linear transformation. Again, this is the vector of W. This is minus 1 times V bar. So minus 1 times V bar is same as minus V bar. So this is what minus T of U bar. Okay, so T of minus U bar is same as minus U bar. Okay, now third. This is the second. This is the first one. Now third one, T of U bar minus V bar. So this is what T of U bar plus minus V bar. Okay, so this is T of U bar plus T of minus V bar. So this is T of U bar minus T of V bar. Okay, so over. The theorem is over. Okay, so very interesting theorem actually this is. Next, we will take a next theorem. We'll write a definition first. Definition: two linear transformation T1 and T2 from V to W are equal if and only if T1 of V bar is same as T2 of V bar for all V bar belong to V. So the two transformation T1 and T2 are same if and only their domain and codomain are same. First condition is what? Their domain and codomain are same, and T of V bar is same as T1 of V bar is same as T2 of V bar. So that means if you apply T1 on any element of V and V bar on, if they are same, then your T1 is same as T2 now. Okay, so this is the definition. Okay, so we'll take a theorem now. Theorem: if S is equal to v1 bar, v2 bar, dot dot dot, dot dot dot, vn bar is a basis, for v, for vector space v, and w1 bar, w2 bar, dot dot dot, wn bar are arbitrary n vectors in w, not necessarily distinct. That means what? So among these w1 and w2, w1, w3, wn, they may be the same. The two vectors may be the same. So here they are not same, because this is the basis. If two vectors are same, so it will not basis then. Okay, it will not linearly independent also. Basis not necessarily distinct. Then there exists a unique. This is very important. Unique linear transformation T from V to W such that T of Vi bar is equal to Wi bar I is equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dot n. Okay. So if this is the basis, then T of Vi bar is same as Wi bar. So this is a linear transformation. We have to prove that. Okay. Solution of proof. S is equal to V1 bar, V2 bar, dot dot dot, Vn bar is a basis for vector space V. Okay. So therefore S spans V. Okay. S spans V. So for any V bar belongs to V, we have, so S span V means what? Every vector of V is expressed as a linear combination of the vectors in V. Okay. So we have V bar is equal to K1 V1 bar plus K2 V2 bar plus dot 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 Kn Vn bar. Okay. Define T from V to W as T of V bar is same as K1 W1 bar, K2 W2 bar plus dot 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 Kn Wn bar. Okay, so we define this. Okay, so for M, we want to prove that T is a linear transformation. First we will prove T is a linear transformation. Okay, and then we will prove our linear transformation is what? T of Vi bar is same as, that means T of V1 is same as W1, T of V2 is same as W2. That we will prove later on. Okay, so first we will prove this is T is a linear transformation. Okay, so let V bar U bar. Okay, U bar belongs to V. Okay, so therefore we have V bar is equal to K1 V1 bar plus K2 V2 bar plus dot 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 Kn Vn bar. Okay, and U bar is 7. I will write A1 V1 bar plus A2 V2 bar plus dot 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 An Vn bar. Because what? U bar is a vector in V. U bar is S is the basis for this one. U bar is also expressed as a linear combination of vectors in this. Okay, so U bar plus V bar. U bar plus V bar is what? K1 plus A1 V1 bar, K2 plus A2 V2 bar. Okay, so plus dot 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 Kn plus An Vn bar. Okay, so now we'll find T of V bar plus V bar. T of U bar plus V bar. So T of U bar plus V bar what? Your V1 bar, V2 bar expressed as W1 bar. So this is what? K1 plus A1. Just we'll write directly this is plus K2 plus A2 W2 bar plus dot 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 Kn plus An Wn bar. Because now W is the vector space, these are the vectors in W. You can multiply by this, by our axiom 8 now, by our axiom 7th. Okay, you can multiply this and you can separate this also. I can write this is what K1 W1 bar plus K2 W2 bar plus dot dot Kn Wn bar. I can write this because W is the vector space. W1 bar plus A2 W2 bar plus dot dot An Wn bar. And what is this? This is same as T of V bar plus T of U bar. T of U bar. Okay. So this is same as T of U bar because W is the vector space. So this is this. Okay. So T of U bar plus V bar. We call this as A now. We call this as A. Okay. So first criteria is hold for the linear transformation. Okay. Now let K be the any scalar. Okay. So let second, okay, let K be any scalar, and U bar belongs to V. Okay, so therefore U bar is equal to this. Okay, now we find K U bar now. K U bar. You have to multiply by K2 all. So this is what K K1 V1 bar plus K K2 V2 bar plus dot 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 K Kn Vn bar. K Kn Vn bar. Okay, now we will apply T on both sides. T of K U bar. This is what? Just V1 bar is transformed to W1 bar. Okay, V1 bar belongs to W1 bar now. K K1 W1 bar. K K1 W2 bar plus dot 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 K Kn Wn bar. So this is same as what? K into K1 W1 bar plus K2 W2 bar dot 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 Kn Wn bar. But what is this? This is same as K of this. Okay, T of K U bar is same as this. We call this as P. Okay, so from A and B, T is a linear transformation. Okay, so T is a linear transformation. This part is over now. Okay, now we go for the second. Okay, so T UI bar. Okay, so VI bar is equal to 0 V1 bar 0 V2 bar plus dot 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 0 VI minus 1 bar plus VI bar 1 into VI bar. Okay, that is VI bar plus 0 VI plus 1 bar plus dot 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 0 Pn bar. Okay, so this is the linear transformation. Okay, so T of VI bar is same as what? 0 W1 bar 0 W2 bar dot 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 0 Wi minus 1 bar plus Wi bar plus 0 Wi plus 1 bar plus dot dot 0 Wn bar. Okay, by our definition of T now. Okay, so this is what T of Vi bar is equal to Wi bar. Okay, so I have proved that. So I is equal to what here? I is equal to 1 2 dot 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 n. You can take here V1 V2 dot 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 up to Vn. So that means we have proved that a T is a linear transformation such that T of Vi bar is same as Wi. But there is a part uniqueness. So now we have to prove the uniqueness now. Uniqueness. Let if possible, T from V to W and T prime from V to W are linear transformation, such that T of Vi bar is equal to Wi bar and T of Vi bar T prime Vi bar is same as Wi bar. So we want to prove that to prove that T is equal to T prime t is equal to t prime. Okay, so this we have to prove. Okay, so t of v bar is equal to t of k1 v1 bar plus k2 v2 bar plus dot 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 t of v not t of kn vn bar, kn vn bar. Okay, so this is same as k1 w1 bar plus k2 w2 bar plus dot 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 kn wn bar. Okay, so this is same as k1 t prime v1 bar plus k2 t time t prime v2 bar plus, because what, we'll apply this. Okay, so this is what kn t prime vn bar. Again, t prime is a linear transformation. You can take t prime common and we'll write k1 v1 bar plus k2 v2 bar plus dot 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 kn vn bar, and this is same as t prime v bar. Okay, t of v bar is same as t prime v bar, so therefore t is equal to t prime. Okay, so hence the theorem is over now. Okay, so we have proved that there is a unique linear transformation. Okay, firstly we have proved that t is linear transformation, then we have proved that t of ui bar is same as wi bar, and lastly we have proved that t is a unique. So from this ABC, so there is a unique linear transformation such that t of vi bar is same as wi bar. Okay, so the theorem is over now. Now we'll take a problem on it. Okay, so example, let u1 bar is equal to 1 1 minus 1, u2 bar is equal to 4 1 1, u3 bar is equal to 1 minus 1 2, b the basis vectors of R3 and let t from R3 to R2 be a linear transformation such that t of u1 bar prime is same as 1 0, t of u2 bar prime is same as 0 1, and t of u3 bar is same as 1 1. Find t of a b c. That means you have to find the formula for t, so t of x y z or t of a b c. Okay, solution. Given that u1 bar u2 bar is the basis vectors of R3 and t from that t from it will be the linear transformation such that this. Okay, your t and t is a linear transformation such that. Okay, this is given that. Okay, so now what we have to find, t of ABC. Okay, so let ABC is equal to, the basis vectors of R3 are this. Okay, so we'll write this is what, x 1 1 minus 1 plus y 4 1 1 plus z 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 2. Okay, so we have to find the values of x y z in terms of a b c. We have to find the values of x y, then we will apply here t of this one. Okay, because t of u1 bar, this is your u1 bar. Okay, so a b c is equal to x u1 bar plus y u2 bar plus z u3 bar. Okay, so now you will get what, t of ABC is equal to what, x into t of u1 bar. T of u1 bar value is given, y into t of u2 bar, because x y z are the scalar, u2 bar, the value of t u2 bar is given. Okay, so after that we will find the values of x y z in terms of ABC and then we will apply. Okay, so we write here 1 now, we'll write 1 here. Okay, instead of 1 here, we'll write 1 here now. Instead of this, we'll write 1 here. Because what? Directly we are given T of E1 bar and this. Okay. Okay. So now we get a system now here. So what here? We will write directly the system is what? X plus 4y plus z is equal to A. X plus y minus z is equal to B. So minus x plus y plus twice z is equal to C. Okay. This system can be written in matrix form as this. Okay. So now the system is consistent with that because this is the basis. Okay. So we have to find the values of x, y, z in terms of A, B, C. Okay. So we'll write augmented matrix. Okay. Here we'll write augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. Okay. It is better to apply this. Okay. Write your given vectors in the column wise. Just look at your given vectors. Don't look at this. Okay. So here what you will make a mistake here. Just write your given vectors in the column wise. Okay. So now this is your A, B, C. Don't write here X, Y, Z because X, Y, Z is what? X, Y, Z is a variable now here. Your constant term is A, B, C. Okay. So now we'll convert this in equivalent form. Okay. So we'll write here what? R2 minus R1, R3 plus R1. Okay. So 1, 4, 1, A. 1, 4, 1, A. Take the care now. Okay, you have to multiply by minus 1, you have to add this 0, minus 3, minus 2, B minus A. Then just you have to add this 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, A plus C. A plus C. Just you have to add it. Okay. Now we will divide by minus 3. Okay, for one calculation we divide by minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 R2. So 1 for 1 A. Then 0 1 2 by 3 B minus A. So this is A minus B because we are divided by minus 1 by 3. So your sign will be changed upon 3. Okay. This is 0, 5, 3, A plus C. This will be as it is. Okay. So you have to take the care everywhere. Okay. So we'll take the care. Okay. Because if you made a mistake somewhere, you will get a wrong answer. Okay. So you have to do all the calculations carefully. Okay. So now this is your 1. You have to make this as 0 now. Okay. So this is what your R3 minus 5 R2. So we write this as it is now. So here what each and every entry is very important along with the sign. Okay. So we take the care here. We are dividing by minus C. A minus B upon 3 is there. Okay. So now you have to multiply by minus 5. So this is minus 5. So minus 10 by 3. Minus 10 by 3 plus 3. So this is 9. So minus 1 by 3. So this is minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. Okay. Then okay, so I will erase this one because I don't want this. Okay. I have to do the calculation. This is your A plus C. This is your A plus C. A plus C. Minus 5 into, you have to multiply by 5. Okay. So 5 into A minus B upon 3. Okay. So this is what we'll do. This is what we multiply by 3 here. So 3A plus 3C minus 5A plus 5B upon 3. Okay. So that is what minus twice A plus 5B plus 3C upon 3. Okay. So minus twice A plus 5B plus 3C upon 3. Okay. So we will solve all this now. We will solve. Okay. So we'll reverse this. Okay. We'll write a reduced system. This is what? X plus y, x plus 4y. X plus 4y plus z is equal to A. Then y plus 2 by 3 z is equal to A minus B upon 3. Minus 1 by 3 z is equal to minus twice A plus 5B plus 3C upon 3. So 3 get cancelled. So z is equal to twice a minus 5b minus 3c. Minus 3c. Is it correct? We'll check our answer. Okay. Now we'll put here back substitution. So this is what y is equal to a minus b upon 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 twice a minus 5b minus 3c. Okay. Okay. So now both the denominators are same. So this is what then a minus b minus 4a minus become plus 10b plus 6c upon 3 upon 3. So this is what minus 3a plus 9b plus 6c upon 3. So this is what minus a plus 3b plus twice c. Plus twice c. Okay. So minus a plus 3b plus twice c. Okay. So this is correct. Okay. Now we have to find the value of x now. Okay. We have to find the value of x. X is equal to a minus 4y minus z. So a minus 4 into your y. Y is what? Minus a plus 3b plus twice c minus your z is what? Z just we have calculated. This is what? Twice a minus 5b minus 3c. Okay. So now we'll collect a now. So this is a is what? This is minus become plus. So a plus 4a. A plus 4a, this is 5a. 5a minus twice a is 3a. Now we'll collect b. So this is what? Minus 12b. This is what? Minus 12b plus 5. So this is minus 7b. Minus 7b. Now we collect c now. This is what? Minus 8c. Minus 8c plus 3c. So this is what? Minus 5c. Minus 5c. So you get the value of x, y, z down. Okay, you get the values of x, y, z. Okay, so we'll write the values of here now. So a, b, c, a, b. So one implies, okay, a, b, c is equal to x. X is what you are? A minus 4y minus z u1 bar plus what is your y? Y is here minus a plus 3b plus twice c u2 bar plus your z. Your z is what? Your z is twice a minus 5b minus 3c u2 bar. Okay. Okay. So you got this. Now T of ABC. T of ABC. This is a this is a constant. So what is this then? A minus something is wrong here actually. So your x is what? Your x here what? You have to write the correct value. Your x is what? 3a minus 7b minus 5c. Okay. So now this is what? 3a. Just I write here. T of a, b, c is equal to 3a minus 7b minus 5c T of u1 bar. Directly you can write this. Plus minus a plus 3b plus twice c u2 bar plus twice a minus 5b or T of u2 bar. This is what? T of u2 bar. T of u2 bar. So minus 5b minus 3c T of u3 bar. This is u3 bar. T of u3 bar. Okay. Now we'll put the values of T of u1 bar and T of u2 bar is given to you. So this is what? 3a minus 7b minus 5c. What is T of u1 bar? Is 10. 10. plus minus a plus 3b plus twice c. T of u2 bar is 0 1 0 1 plus twice a minus 5b minus 3 of u2 bar is 1 1. Now you have to add this. Now here see that your first component is 1 0. If you multiply this, your second component is 0 here. If you multiply this, first component is 0. Second component is, you have to multiply this. Here you have to multiply. That means for first component you have to add this now. So this is what 5a minus 12b minus 8c. Okay, this is the first component. And for second component here, this is 0. So this will be here and this will be here. That means your second component is the addition of this one. This is what then a minus twice b minus c. So this is your T of A, B, C. T of A, B, C. That means T of x, y, z is same as what? 5x minus 12y minus 8c. So A minus twice B minus C. If you want in terms of x, y, z, you can write A, B, C as x, y, z. Doesn't matter. Okay. After that, not per year. Okay. So if you want x, y, z here, because what the question is what find T of A, B, C. So if they ask find T of x, y, z, then this you have to write x, y, z, A, B, C. You have to find the values of A, B, C in terms of x, y, z then. Okay. So I hope that you understand this one. We'll take the next problem. We'll take the next problem. Let T from R3 to R3 be a linear transformation. Just I will write the short form now. Linear transformation such that T of 1 0 0 is equal to 2 4 minus 1. T of 0 1 0 is equal to 1 3 minus 2. T of 0 0 1 is equal to 0 minus 2 2. Compute T of minus 2 4 1. Minus 2 4 1. Okay. So now we'll solve this. Okay. Solution. Solution. Directly we write here. Solution. Given that T from R3 R2 is a linear transformation. Is a linear transformation such that. Okay. So this is given. Don't write here compute. Just I will keep this here. Just write it from. Okay. 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 So let you have to find T of minus of this. So what? And T of these are given. So what we will do? We will find a linear combination of minus 2 4 1 with this. Okay. So let minus 2 4 1 is equal to x into first vector is what 1 0 0 plus y into the second vector is what 0 1 0. So this is what T of this. T of this. We are taking T of that vector. Okay. So plus z into 0 0 1. Okay. So now we'll find the values of x y z. We'll find x y the x y z. So this is what then minus 2 4 1. So this is what then we'll find a vector x y z. Okay. And this is 7 what? So therefore x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 1. Otherwise you have to find, see here, these are the standard basis are given to you. So directly you get a values of x, y, z. Okay. If not, you get a system of the equation. You have to solve the system of equation in any matter, in any method. So that is known to you. Okay. Find the values of x, y, z now. Okay. So therefore what? Minus 2, 4, 1 is equal to. What is your x? Is minus 2. 1, 0, 0. What is your y? Plus 4, 0, 1, 0. You have to write the vector as it is now. This is 1. That means don't write this. What? 0, 0, 1. Now apply T. So T of minus 2, 4, 1 is equal to minus T 1, 0, 0. This is the vector. Plus 4 T of 0, 1, 0. Plus T of 0, 0, 1. Okay. So then this is minus 2. T of 1, 0, 0 is what? 2, 4 minus 1. 2, 4 minus 1. Okay. 2, 4 minus 1. Plus 4 times. T of 0, 1, 0. 0 is what? 1, 3 minus 2. 1, 3 minus 2. Plus T of 0, 0, 1 is what? 0 minus 2, 2. Okay. Now we'll collect this. This is what? Then 4 plus 4. Your first component is what? 2 into 2. plus 4 into 1. Okay. Second component is what? 8. Here what? Plus 12 minus 2. Okay. Second component. Your third component is what? Minus 2 minus 8. You have to multiply by the 4 here. Okay. Plus 2. Actually, you have to multiply by these 2. Then multiply by 4 and then do the addition. Okay. But it is better method. This is what then? 8. 18. Your 2 get cancelled. Minus 8. Don't take minus 8 common. Okay. Oh, here. Here we are making mistake here. Because this is minus 2 you should want here. Okay. So this is minus 4. Minus 4. And this is what? Minus 8. Okay. The answer will be wrong now. Okay. Minus 8. So no problem for there. This minus 2. So then this is what? Plus 2 now here. Okay. Plus 2. So what is this then? This is 0. Then this is what? Minus 10. So this is 2 now. So this is 4. So this is what then? So this is what? Minus 8 plus 12. Minus 8 plus 12. Minus 8 plus 12. Okay, so this is correct now. Okay, so this is 2 and this is what then? 2 to 4. So this is minus 4 then. Okay, so this is your required answer. Okay, so it is easy to find this one. No problem for this one. Okay, now next. Consider S is equal to V1 bar, V2 bar, V3 bar, is a basis for R3 where V1 bar is equal to 1 1 1, V2 bar is equal to 1 1 0, V3 bar is equal to 1 0 0. Let T from R3 to R3 be a linear transformation. I am using the short form T of V1 bar such that T of V1 bar is equal to 2 minus 1 4. T of V2 bar is equal to 3 0 1. T of V3 bar is equal to minus 1 5 1. Minus 5 1. 1 1 1 0 1 0. Okay. So 2 minus 1 4 minus 2 minus 1 4 3 0 1 minus 1 5. Find T of ABC and hence find T of 2 4 minus 1. 2 4 minus 1. Okay. Solution. Given that S is equal to is the basis for R3 where this T linear transformation such that you have to find a formula for T of ABC. Okay, so let ABC is equal. I can use X now. X V1 bar basis element we have to take Y V2 bar plus Z V3 bar. I will call this as 1. Okay, so that is what ABC is equal to X into V1 bar. What is your V1 bar? 1 1 1 plus Y 1 1 0 plus Z 1 0 0. Okay. Okay. So we write the system now. X plus Y plus Z is equal to A. Then X plus Y is equal to B. Then Z is equal to C. Okay. So this is your 1 2 not 1 2 2 3 4. Okay, so this is what by back substitution easily you can get the values of this. What z is equal to c implies that y is equal to y. No, this is not z is equal to x plus y. X is equal to c. This is what x is equal to c. Okay, so x is equal to c you get, because here this component c here y z is 0 now here. Okay, so z is equal to c implies that y is equal to p minus c. Now z is equal to what? A minus x minus y. Z is equal to a minus x minus y. So a minus x your c and minus y is minus b plus c. So c get cancelled. This is a minus b. Okay. So a b c is equal to, what is your x? Your x is c p1 bar plus your y is what? B minus c. You have to write in bracket p2 bar. Right? You get the values of x, y, z in terms of a, b, c. Okay. So now z is what? A minus b plus a minus b p3 bar. Okay. So now we'll write t of a, b, c. T of a, b, c is equal to c. T of p1 bar b minus c t of p2 bar plus a minus b t of p3 bar. Okay, so T of ABC is equal to T of ABC is equal to T of ABC is equal to C into T of V1 bar. What is T of V1 bar? Is 2 minus 1 4 plus B minus C. T of V3 bar is what? 3 0 1 plus A minus B minus 1 5 1. Okay, now we'll collect this. We'll write neatly now. This is twice C. First component twice C. Then what? Plus 3B minus 3C. From this first component is. From this minus A plus B. This is your first component. We'll collect the second component. This is what? From here minus C. From here 0. No problem for this one. Plus 5A minus 5B. Minus 5B. From here 4C. 4C. From here plus B minus C and plus A minus B. Okay. So now we write in terms of ABC form now. So this is what? Minus A plus 4B minus C. Okay. So minus A plus 4B minus C. Then we collect 5A minus 5B minus C. Okay. Then here A, your BB get cancelled, plus 3C. Okay. So this is your TABC. Now you have to find T of, what is the question? T of 2 4 minus 1. 2 4 minus 1 you have to find. Okay. So that means your A is 2, B is 3, B is 4 and this. Okay. So this is what then? Minus 2 plus 16 plus 1. Okay. So then 5A means this is 10 minus 20. 10 minus 20 plus 1. Then A is 2. 3C is minus 3. So this is equal to. So this is 17. 17. This is what? 15. Then this is what? 11. So this is what actually minus 10. Minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9 minus 1. So 15 minus 9. So here Okay. So this is minus 1. This is the correct. Okay. Now next we'll take the next problem. Let t from R2 to R2 be a linear transformation such that t of 1 1 is equal to 0 to t of 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 0. Compute t of 1 4 and t of minus 2 1. Okay. So here what we will do? Here we have to find two values. So first we will find a formula, and with that of the formula you can find easily. Okay. Solution. Given that t from this is a linear transformation such that, so this we will compute later on. Okay. First we will find a formula. Okay. So these are the vectors are given to you. Okay. So let xy is equal to a into the first vector is what 1 1 plus b into the second vector is what 1 minus 1. Okay. So xy is equal to a plus b, and then this is what a minus b. Okay. So a plus b is equal to x, a minus b is equal to y. We find the values of a and b in terms of x and y. Okay. Easily you can get this is what twice a is equal to x plus y. Your a is what x plus y upon 2. Your a is what x plus y upon 2. So easily you can obtain the value of this, just minus this one. Twice b is equal to x minus y. So b is equal to x minus y upon 2. Just by adding, because the coefficients are same here, just by adding you get this. Just by subtracting we get this a and b. Okay. So your xy is equal to your xy. What is your a? A is what? X plus y upon 2. 1 1 plus. What is your y? Your y is what? Your b is what? X minus y upon 2. 1 minus 1. Don't simplify this. Don't simplify this. If you simplify this, we get xy now. You have to apply t now. So t of xy is same as what? X plus y upon 2. X plus y upon 2. T of 1 1 plus x minus y upon 2. T of 1 minus 1. So this is what then? X plus y upon 2. T of 1 1. T of 1 1 is what? T of 1 1 is it 0 2? Is it 0 2? Yes, it is 0 2. It is 0 2. Plus x minus y. Don't read it here. 1 2. T of, so this is 2 0. This is 2 0. Okay. Now what is this? This will be 0. This will be multiplied by this what? X minus y. Only one component here. Then this will 2 get cancelled, and the second component here 0. That means this is x plus y. Okay. So therefore t of 1 4. What? X minus y means minus 3. And x plus y means 5. Then t of minus 2 5 minus 2 1 is what? X minus y. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Then you have to take addition. This is this. Okay. So we get this one. Okay. So it is better to find the formula, and with the formula you can find the value of this one. Okay. So I hope that you understand this one. So if such type of the linear combination or if t of something is given to you, you can obtain the formula for the linear transformation and so on. Okay. So we'll stop here. Thank you.